Who's got green beans? Good morning. As you can see, I'm back at ShineMD, and something kind of exciting happened. Basically, after our filler session, I had a really good time. I loved the experience, and Dr. Mona is amazing, and I really like what the clinic's about. I always end up leaving empowered and feeling good about, because these are pretty big decisions to make when you're getting cosmetic things done, and I've always strived to go to a place where I feel safe and educated, and I get all of that here. So ShineMD actually asked me to be an ambassador for their clinic, which is so exciting. So we're here back for another treatment, and I'll be documenting these as I go. So if you have any questions, I will be more than happy to share them with you and basically introduce you to just different cosmetic options.
Look at this top-notch vlog option here. These clips. Taking the sound out, right?
I'm back at home. What you saw was me getting a hydro infusion facial. So they basically go over my face and do an exfoliant while infusing my skin with serum. And then we did a light chemical peel. So it might be a little bit red, but we're mostly just like seeing shine. Welcome to my kitchen. We're making chocolate chia seed pudding today, which is my favorite snack lately. Put a little bit of granola on top with some berries, and it is chef's kiss, the best snack when you're really hungry and you're craving something sweet but you want like a healthy alternative. This is one of my favorite things to make. You can Google chocolate chia seed pudding and use any of the recipes. They're all wonderful. The one that I follow has cacao powder, maple syrup, vanilla extract, milk, and chia seeds. So this is what it looks like at the moment, and then you whisk it. And now we've got a super smooth mixture ready to go. Mars just came home from daycare, and that's like donations that I'm dropping off later, but he stopped right here in the hallway, which he always does whenever we come in from a walk, because I always wipe his paws down. But he went to daycare today, so because he is extra dirty today. But look at him, so patient. Things have been a little bit hectic lately. You may or may not know, but we basically unknowingly moved into a cute little leaky condo like 2.5 years ago, and they started the process of repairing the building in September of 2020. So we've been living here through that and through our dishwasher flooding, all the while, you know, taking care of our dog Mars, and both of us maintaining a 40-hour work week because we do both have full-time jobs. The latest in that updates, if you have missed all of my, not all of my, but you know, like the odd little rant when it comes to the horrible noise that comes with living here at the moment while they are redoing and fixing the whole building. But we're finally getting our windows replaced, which they didn't let us know until 4 days ago. And they're gonna be in here for 3 days. So we made the decision to go stay at a hotel. I feel like I'm kind of at my limit when it comes to like the mental capacity needed to handle construction, and been handling construction since September 2020. So what is that, like 3, 9, 6 months, 5, 6 months of just drilling every single business day is a lot for a person. You got your rope? What's that? Even though we're staying in the hotel until Wednesday, there's still some stuff that I need to get done at the apartment. I have everything, but there's a couple packages that I need to stop back at home and ship. So there's a couple for Poshmark, and then there's one for Yes, which is my small business. We're in a local retailer over on Main Street called Good Boy Collective, which is a local female-owned pet boutique that I'm super proud to be stocked in. So we're shipping off their second order with us today. And I think I'm gonna come back here and do some work. We're working on a new product right now for Yes. I still need to approve and finalize the label for the packaging. Have a couple things to do today. Oh my god, look at Mars. Hi, Bob. 8. Yes, okay.
On a separate sheet.
Good morning. I booked a week off of work for a vacation, but being in my apartment with the construction, it didn't really feel like vacation. But the last 3 days in this hotel have been bliss. So it's my last day today. I'm looking at the weather app and I'm realizing that it's gonna be raining for the next 7 days, and it's really sunny today and I'm downtown. So the question is, do I be a responsible person and get work done on my computer, or do I take advantage of the last sunny day we're gonna have for a while? And I think based on when my late checkout is gonna be, I think realistically I can probably do both, but I am gonna prioritize my work first since I have been putting it off. So I'm gonna be answering some emails where it's really exciting because we're finalizing the design for the new product that we're developing for Yes. It's gonna be really healthy for your dogs. There's no preservatives, there's no fillers. It's just like pure goodness. And it's gonna be a little bit different from what we currently offer, but I think it will be a really nice complement. Emails are done. So today is panning out to be a little bit perfect. I love when timing lines up, when it's just like so perfectly, everything's like accounted for. Like my work is done. I'm about to pack up my suitcase. I'm gonna leave all my stuff here. I'm gonna go take a couple photos outside, and then I'm gonna come back, check out at 1 o'clock, unpack all of my stuff and take all the plastic sheeting off of the furniture before I start work again tomorrow.